Hello friends, welcome you all to Polity Simplified series of Dnyanadeep Academy. We are going to study all articles of Indian Constitution in English. Today's article or today's focus article of our study is Article 40 of Indian Constitution. Basically, the father of Indian Constitution or the father of nation, not Indian Constitution, the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi said that if you want to grow, you have to move towards villages. Let's go to the villages. He said that if India wants to be the greatest nation in the world, villages should be self-sufficient and our entire focus should be towards villages. If villages are self-sufficient, it will lead to the greater transformation and we will get an India that we wants to achieve. So basically Article 40 talks about organizing village panchayat. And based on this Article 40, to give a crystallized form to Article 40, we made 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act. 73rd Amendment Act in 1992 and 74th Amendment Act in 1992. The 73rd Amendment Act of 1992, it gave constitutional status to village panchayat. And 74th Amendment Act gave constitutional status to urban panchayat. So basically it talks about rural local government. 74th Amendment Act, it talks about urban local government. In simple term, both these amendments are related with development administration. So let's try to understand what is the main focus of Article 40. A very interesting article it is. We'll try to understand what it says. See, what Article 40 says, it says in simple language that the state, so it shall be the responsibility of state, which we define in Article 12, which is being continued in Article 36. The state shall take necessary step to organize village panchayat. What? To organize village panchayat and to endow them, that is to give them with such powers and authority as may be necessary to enable these village panchayat to function as a units of self-government. So remember, Article 40 is very interesting article. Basically, Article 40 is about village panchayat. So this shall be the responsibility of state to organize village panchayat. But only organization of village panchayat is not sufficient. Only organization of village panchayat is not sufficient. What you have to do? Here, you have to give them, endow them with necessary powers and authority. What shall be the duty of giving them power and authority? That this entire power and authority which we are giving to village panchayat should make these villages the units of self-government, which we call what? This we called as a units of Swaraj. So the dream of Mahatma Gandhi to establish Swaraj can be achieved through Article 40, which led to creation or to enactment of 73rd and 74th Amendment Act, which crystallized or which gave constitutional status to rural local government and urban local governments respectively. Remember, you can use this article in introduction of your essay, in introduction of your answer writing, or also you can start your interview answers with use of Article 40 of Directive Principles of State Policy. Thank you.